Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Goel and in this video we are going to solve p power 6 is equals to 144 and we have to find the value of p. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know that 144 is the square of 12, so we can write it as 12 square. Now I am going to multiply with the power 6 both sides. So we can write it as p whole power p power 6 whole power 6 is equals to 12 power, according to exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write it as 12 power 12. Now, according to exponent rule, that is x power m power n, we can write it as x power n power m. So we can write it as p power 6 whole power p power 6 is equals to 12 power 12. Now if we compare both sides, so we get p power 6 is equals to 12. Now again I'm going to multiply with 1 by 6 power both sides. So we can eliminate this. So the value of p is 12 power 1 by 6, or we can say that p is equals to 6th root of 12. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.